Evening, sir. Um, Hello, classmate. My name is Jefferson C. Dianito um, from BSCPE 4102, Besting College of the Philippines. So, my topic for today is system buses. Ano nga ba ang system buses? Um, a system bus is a single computer bus that connect the major components of computer system, combining the function of the data bus to carry information and address bus to determine where it should be sent or read from, and control bus to determine its operation. Uh, what does system bus mean? The system bus is a pathway composed of cables and connectors used to carry data between a computer microprocessor and the main memory. The bus provides a communication path for the data and control signals moving between the major components of the computer system. The system bus works are combining the function of the three main buses, namely the data, address, and control buses. It has its separate characteristic and responsibility. Wikipedia explains system bus. The system bus connects the CPU with the main memory and some system with the level 2 L2 cache. Other buses such as the I/O buses branch of branch of the from branch of the branch of the from the system bus to provide a communication channel between the CPU and other peripherals. The system bus combines a function of the three main buses, which are as follows. Bus carries the control, timing, and coordination signals to manage the various functions across the system. 2. The address bus is used to specify memory location for the data being transferred. 3. The data bus, which is a bidirectional path, carries the actual data between the processor, the memory, and peripherals. And the design of the system bus varies from the system to system and can be specific to particular computer design or may be based on an industry standard. One advantage of using the industry standard is the other components such as the memory and I/O device from independent manufacturers. System bus characteristics are dependent on the needs of the processor, the speed, and the word length of the data instruction. The size of bus, also known as width, determines how much data can be transferred at a time and indicates the number of available wires. A 32-bit bus, for example, refers to 30 parallel wires are connectors that can simultaneously 32 bits. The design in the design and dimension of the system bus are based on the specific processors technology of the motherboard. This, in effect, affects the speed of the motherboard with the faster system buses, requiring that the other components on the system be equally fast for the best performance. So, thank you so much, sir, and good evening. Thank you.